You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce this name, as well as how to say more interesting but often confusing biblical names, so make sure to stay tuned to the channel. For reference, in Greek it is said as Mattathias, Mattathias. Therefore in English you could say it as Mattathias, although it is often pronounced also in English as Mattathias, Mattathias, or Mattathias. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.